So this is a video about me trying to use the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This was something I picked up towards the end of November, and I have never used it until today. It's been in its box and it's not really done much. So this is the first time I'm using it, and I have to admit, I don't really know what to expect. I can remember having one of those helicopter things with a camera on it. And the last time I used that, it literally went up to the ceiling, broke, and then fell to the ground. And that was my experience of using anything like a drone. But this is quite different. I mean, it looks different for a start, and it feels different. I got this in a pretty good deal, actually. I didn't know which one to go with because you can get the one with the remote control that's got the screen on, and the other one where you use the phone. So I went with the screen just for purposes of ease of use and filming. So overall, at the moment, I'm pretty satisfied with how it's moving around and how it focusing. It keeps focus and it's moving around all over the place at the moment. I'm pretty pleased with the whole thing at the minute. It looks good and it feels good as well. It's a little bit exhilarating when it takes off and all those bloody propellers go off. And it's completely different than anything I've ever used before. I mean, you can see that in the way it moves. It's just so quick when it moves around. I know you've got different speeds on there, and I'm on the slowest speed. I haven't yet worked out how to configure the audio with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm going to have to look into that at some point because I'm having to record this almost like a voiceover kind of thing, which is weird. I want to be out there actually recording at the same time, so I may need a little bit of help with that. But I love photography, so this is perfect for me, I think. But like I say, this is something I bought towards the end of November. Never used it. There's me. There's me there. I can tell it's me because I can see the red trainers. But like I say, this is Crewe. Yeah, I know. It's a pretty bad place to be. It's not particularly nice place to live, especially. I mean, some of it's all right, but I mean, like the park, Queen's Park, which is where I'm planning to go next and do a bit more filming, and hopefully that'll show up sometime in a video. But this is just about me getting used to it, trying to understand how it works, and this is something that's completely new to me. I mean, you put me in front of a website and building websites and designing things, and I can do them straight away. Absolutely no problem. This is going to take a lot. I've not even learned how to have it follow me yet. So these are things I'm going to have to look into. They might be simple things for other people, but for me, I'm not really understanding what I'm supposed to be doing with it. So hopefully there may be some comments that can point me in the right direction about how to do some of the things on this. My aim with the DJI Mini 4 Pro is to go to a variety of places, really. Look at different towns and cities and villages, go to places like nearby to me, especially places like Barton. They've got a beautiful church up there, and I think that would be a pretty good location to do a drone fly. But this is me just testing this out at the moment, and all I'm doing is just flying this thing backwards and forwards, up and down. Essentially, you've got a dog running around there who was quite far away. There's me again. Yep, that's me with the red trainers. So I'm literally just flying this thing around. This place here is a scout's hut. I can remember the original one burnt down sometime in the 80s, but this thing's been built. I don't know when it was built because I've not been up this area for ages. I was going to go to my mother's, who lives nearby, actually, near to this location, for a cup of coffee after I'd been filming here. But I didn't answer the door when I knocked. Said she didn't hear me. Yeah, well, I'm thinking something else there. I'm thinking, well, she said she was doing a jigsaw in the back, but I'm not too sure. Anyway, so I'm still like filming this, trying to figure out how. All I'm doing is just moving up and down, backwards and forwards, just getting used to it until I go to bigger places and try and get used to it. Because this isn't the sort of thing that you can actually do inside a house. You can't exactly put this down on the floor and then fly it around the bloody house because, I mean, it's going to go literally into the ceiling or go into walls. And before you know it, the damn thing will be broken, the propellers will be all over the place and you'll never be able to use it. So this is, I mean, the day, it's overcast. It's not particularly nice looking out there. It wasn't sunny or anything like that. I mean, it is December 31st after all, New Year's Eve. So, the weather's not going to be great. But I really enjoyed what the drone had to offer. I was absolutely delighted with it. It's a good piece of kit. It looks good. It's something that I feel like I will be able to get better at in time, and hopefully post better videos that will do quite well over different things. Churches, stately homes, castles. My main aim. I mean, this is the main aim. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to try and get to a beach literally in like Aprilish. So what I'm looking at is going from different villages, different towns, different cities, making my way slowly across the northwest into like Chester, do a bit of filming around Chester, and then make my way to Wales and pick a beach up that area, spend a few days just filming and having a look around and hiring a boat and getting out and about and such. And that is my main goal for this. But it's all dependent on me learning how to use this thing, because I can't just keep whizzing around the field and stuff. I've got to get a bit better than what I am now. But for first attempt, I mean, I don't think it's bad. But it's not great, is it? I mean, you wouldn't, it wouldn't be there for award-making filmmaking, but I don't think it's bad. For a first attempt, I'm pretty pleased with that. I was pretty pleased with how the drone worked, and really, really impressed with how this whole thing, came together. It's very, very simple to use, very easy to use. So I was really, really, really impressed with that. So hopefully I'll have a better video, one that'll be a lot better, that'll show different places around Cheshire, and I'll go further afield. And I think that will do well. I think that will do me well. So that'll do good. So yeah, I'm happy with that.